Hello. So in this section, we're going to talk about two different things, sending messages and sharing links. So it's very easy to do either one of these things. If you need to send a message, let's say like student 3A was goofing around, and I usually do this, you can send a message to a particular student. So I can say, I just want to send it to student 3A, and my message might be, this is your final warning before I shut you down. Okay? And then I go ahead and I send that message. That message is only going to show up in 3A students' computer. It's going to pop up and they're going to see that. You can also send a message to the entire class. So sometimes if my students are working, I'll send them a message that says, time is almost up. Please do the following. And it might be like, close your Chrome and check out books. Okay, and I send that and off it goes to everybody in the class. And that's how you send a message. So make sure that when you're sending a message and you want to send it to only one student, that you do click the student part and the student you want to. You can send it to more than one student at the same time if you want to, or you can just send it to one student at a time. So that's sending a message. The next one up is sharing links. So let's say you don't want your students to type in links because, let's face it, sometimes they just don't get it. They have problems with spelling, or it's a really complicated website to go to. You can actually say, hey, I want to share some links with my students, and it's going to go and open up those tabs in their browsers. So I'm going to show you. Right now, 3A only has 3 tabs up, but I'm going to go to share links and I'm going to type in Disney.com, and you can do up to 10 at a time, and I'm going to do our Monticello page too. Monticello, oops, learn to spell, Kim.k12.ia.us. All right, and I can either send it to one student, a group of students, or the whole class. I can schedule this if I want to, and I can say, hey, I want it to go at a certain time if I know I'm going to have a sub. But this time I'm just going to share the link straight out. So if I go say share links, and it should pop up, I'm going to refresh my page, and it will pop up my students, and they should have these pages open. So you'll notice it opened up Disney and it opened up Monticello Community Schools right on their computers. They did nothing. So those tabs are sitting right there for them, and they can just go to those tabs and start that work. So that is how you send a message or share a link. Hope you found this useful.